just trying to find, hold on, I got tons of cards here.
Well, you got a lot of cards. Wow.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Found it.
By the way, thank you for dressing in Provence.
I'm actually obsessed with this.
Right?
It's, you know what, it's like a neutral almost. That's
First
what I
of all,
love
the
about
stainless
it.
steel handle is an upgrade.
Oh my gosh.
And also, I collect oyster in the Le Creuset.
Okay.
And I have a lot of black and white in my kitchen. I would like a little pop of color, a little pop of drama.
Yeah.
This would look beautiful with grays and whites and all kinds of things.
It's literally stunning.
Absolutely. Okay, so I got to find your sandwich and plate set.
Yeah.
You want to do colors first
Yeah,
before we ladle it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go do that. This is awesome. It's customer top rated. 15,000 sets have been sold, and we have it for you with holiday colors. First of all, you're going to get 2 9-inch sandwich plates that are super cute. But the bowls, 18 ounces, right?
18 ounces.
Hello, that's my kind of soup.
Isn't this great?
Because those 16-ounce cans that you buy in the store, even if you're doing canned soup, you know confidently that whole thing can go in there.
It will fit right in there. And these
awesome.
are so great for sweet. They're great for savory. And yeah, you're right. It's going to start with that great plate right there. Now, we have some different shapes in the plate, so I want to call them out. This is the Floral Lace Festive. And yes, we did a wreath-shaped plate. The top of the wreath of the bow is actually a helper handle, so everything is functional because these go in the oven up to 500 degrees, in the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher. That great handle, I'm going to put this down for a second, 18-ounce capacity, yet we give you a nice big handle to balance it, right? Hand painted on the inside, hand painted on the outside. So when you don't want to pull your dinnerware out every night, or you want a beautiful cup of coffee, perfect.
I love it.
Love it, right?
And that color, this is my final quantities of the season.
I
so
know.
once we sell out, and we often do with our seasonals, we're not going to see it maybe again until next year.
Yep. Okay. So here's the Floral Lace Festive. Next door to that is going to be the Floral Lace Winter. Beautiful with the snowflakes all on the outside. Here's the light blue in Floral Lace. Here's the cobalt blue. Remember, you're getting 2 18-ounce mugs and 2 9-inch plates. Here's the green in Floral Lace. Here's the red. And if you're wondering what the plate looks like in other than the seasonal colors, it's a beautiful flower shape, which we're known for at Temp-tations.
Absolutely.
Here's the cranberry. Here's, oh, this would look so pretty with the Le Creuset, wouldn't it? The eggplant. Here is that beautiful, this is the chocolate brown. Here's the spice. And then we have the black.
Okay, now let's move down to our old world.
In our seasonal colors. So here is what we call poinsettia. So that beautiful poinsettia design that we had in the salad bowl as well.
Brand new this season. Again, it's going to go quickly.
And then there's the festive fetty right there. Right down below is the mug. Here's the green. Here's the red. The cranberry. There's the blue. And again, the plate that matches according to your color. And then confetti.
That's for the people who can't make a decision, right?
That's me every day of my life. There's a beautiful eggplant.
So nice.
The neutral and the brown. That great pop of color and spice. And the black.
Okay, so here is the thing. Comparable retail value, $42. Well, it'll be $10 less than that.
Yeah.
If you have a Q card, you can get Easy Pay and get this home for $10. That's 3 monthly payments. But our final quantities of the season, 5-star reviews. And it's more than just a pretty plate. That's what I can't stress enough about Temp-tations, because you're serving in stoneware.
Yeah, that's right. And when you think about it, you don't want to pull out maybe your dinner plate every single night. That's fine. Bring these out, sit around the table. These are great replacements, but I like breaking them apart into 2 gifts too.
Yeah, here.
Right?
This is going to be your
really?
turkey panini.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Really?
It looks like.
Oh my gosh, Stacy.
What?
It's awesome.
We've got some turkey soup. Think about this. Cold winter's day. So now you can balance out with something healthy.
Yeah, there's nothing
nachos.
like it.
Okay,
oh my
so
gosh.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
I like a lot of broth. Do you?
I do like a lot of broth.
So I didn't put too much noodles in
Is
there.
it okay if I start without you?
Of course.
My mom's not watching, so it's
Remember,
okay.
we did this with our leftover turkey, so you don't have to eat open-faced hot turkey sandwiches every day. I mean, you definitely want to do it once, but how did it go? I'm gonna take a bite of this.
Stacy?
On TV. Ready?
This is so tasty. Well, you go ahead. I'm gonna stick with the soup.
Great, and I'm gonna have green pesto in my teeth now. The rest of this soup.
This soup?
All right, is the soup good?
Oh my gosh, the soup is fantastic.
I love this sandwich. I make it all the time. Heck,
Oh,
it's
you
my
do?
recipe, but
Okay, well then I'm
so
tasting
I'm a little
it.
biased.
Okay, and then I gotta taste it, right?
Beautiful. Okay, my friend. You eat away. Stay though for wine. Okay. I'm gonna do my final item of the show, right? And the pesto, you would never know that's kale and walnut, not pine nut. I know.
Wow.
Right?
Wow.
Okay. Thank you, Lisa Lesort. All right, Chris Prime. We're at our final item.
I know.
Our final item, and this is gangbusters popular. People go nuts about this.
Yes.
It's less than $20. It is our tall canister storage set. You get 4 of them.